Good afternoon. The developments coming in fast this Friday afternoon, including all elementary and high schools in Illinois. That's 2 million students, including Chicago public schools, shut down starting Tuesday, the 17th. That will run through the 30th. We are covering every angle with our team of reporters. We begin with CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey at the Thompson Center with the breaking news. Megan.
Right, Brad. Obviously, the big announcement today was that decision to close all K through 12 schools, public and private, starting Tuesday. Governor Pritzker has ordered that students not return to class until March 30th.
We will close all K-12 schools, public and private, statewide, starting Tuesday, March 17th through March 30th.
Governor Pritzker said the state will continue to distribute 2 meals a day for kids who qualify through a combination of delivery and parent pickup options, working directly with 8 major food banks across the state to serve children who rely on schools for their meals. IDPH says research supports the preemptive school closures. Governor Pritzker said he formerly had said he would not close these schools. He explained today his change of heart.
We know what the consequences are of closing public schools and private schools. And so, it's the weight of the evidence here in the end. And I would say, number one, what we're seeing is across the country that the scientists and the doctors who are advising all of us who lead states are basically coming to the conclusion that social distancing is the right answer.
Now, all of this comes as 14 more people tested positive for the coronavirus since yesterday. All of them were in Chicago, Cook County area, except for one case that was in Lake County. IDPH acknowledged that they are prioritizing the use of the tests. People with mild symptoms, they're asking to quarantine themselves. We asked, there right now is no consideration for shutting down mass transit. In terms of daycares, they're going to be providing guidance to them, specific guidance to daycares. We also asked, why school on Monday? Why are they canceling on Tuesday? They said they want to give the teachers an opportunity to curate their lesson plans, to put some plans in place, parents to have some plans in place for where they're going to take their children starting on Tuesday. Reporting live in the loop, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 investigators.
All right, a good question and clarification as to why Tuesday and not Monday. For Megan, we now head to CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov here now. Earlier today, Dana, the mayor was saying public schools will stay open in Chicago. A complete 180 now. What changed?
Well, certainly the governor's mandate changed. We're going to hear more about what Mayor Lori Lightfoot has to say about the governor's mandate, the governor's decision, at 6 o'clock when she now is holding another news conference at City Hall. But you're right, just this morning she really dug in her heels, saying she needed to keep CPS open, that was a decision based on facts and consultations with health professionals, but she needed to do it because, by the way, there's roughly 400,000 students, and a lot of those students need the schools open for meals, sometimes 3 a day, for child care and that sort of thing. There's also safety components. So she said she would continue to reevaluate the decision daily. But this afternoon, Governor J.B. Pritzker obviously made that decision for her. Again, we expect to hear about her plans for those 397,000 or so students who might need meals, exactly what this looks like for all CPS families and teachers, and whether she plans to close schools Monday instead of waiting until Tuesday. All of that we expect to learn more at 6 o'clock at that news conference. Brad?
Okay, still a lot of logistics to work out. Dana, thank you. We